Black guy Thursday, yay! Black guy stripping! No. Now wake it up with a round of applause. Now ladies supposed to know. Wake it up. Make some noise.
Turn it up. Lots of energy. Adrenaline.
What's the name? Showtime!
Last one, let's make it a good one.
Hey, you go get more people. Just kidding. Yes, watch up! Watch the line!
Alright, y'all, this is live breakdance. We're going to do some incredible things. We would like to have an incredible audience. If you see anything you like, clap. If you see anything you don't like, clap. It's a live show. We want a live audience. So let's clap to get it started. Let us know you're out there. Cool out, Gmo. Lots of adrenaline. Thank you. This show is dedicated to everybody clapping. So if you love your mother, let me hear you clap. That's how you find a real audience. If you love your father, let me hear you clap. See, some of y'all got issues over there. When you stop clapping, we have to end the show. Now, these guys are going to do some incredible things. I want to introduce them before we start. So please give them a round of applause from Uptown, Mr. Ronnie Sides. From Harlem, the master of the moonwalk, Professor Pop. Coming out of the Bronx, the original Zoom. Thank you very much. We also have our manager. His name is Philip. Philip the Bucket. Nobody liked that joke, huh? Keep in mind, President Obama wants change, but we want dollars. What's the best station? A donation. All right, let's do this. Let's make it a party. Everybody find your rhythm.
I love the ladies. Okay, white people, find your rhythm.
I'm leaving now.